In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute or leave a chat on Substack if you're getting too many notifications or you're finished with a conversation. These quick controls will help you keep your inbox calm and focused while still giving you control over what you see and when. Start by heading to substack.com in your browser. Once your Substack workspace loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several options. Click on Chat in that left sidebar. This opens Substack's messaging area, which is separate from your posts, comments, or email inbox, and is designed specifically for real-time conversations. Within chat, locate the section labeled Direct. Click Direct to focus on your one-on-one or small group threads. This helps you filter out broader community rooms and jump straight into private conversations where you likely want to adjust notifications or membership. Now, in the direct list, scan for the conversation you want to manage. Select the chat by clicking on it to open the thread. You'll land in the full conversation view where you can see the message history and the chat header at the top. In the top right corner of the chat window, look for the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu for the conversation. Click the three dots to reveal the key controls you need. This menu centralizes the thread level actions so you don't have to dig through settings elsewhere. From that menu, choose either mute or leave. Mute is the right choice when you want to stop notifications from this chat without exiting it. You'll keep the message history and you can check in on your own time. It's easy to unmute later from the same menu if you want alerts again. Leave, on the other hand, removes you from the conversation. You won't receive new messages from that thread, and depending on the chat type, it may disappear from your list. If you change your mind after leaving, you'll typically need to be added back or start a new conversation, so pick this option when you're sure you're done. A couple of quick tips as you decide. Use mute when you want a quiet period without losing context, and use leave when a chat is no longer relevant. If you're moderating your focus, muting is often the gentlest path. That's all there is to it. Go to Substack, open chat, head to direct, select the conversation, open the three-dot menu, and choose mute or leave based on your needs.